Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. So in this session we are going to discuss the Hstr biology blueprint. So we have been discussing the blueprints for science subjects like physics was already done, and of course we had done maths also, and chemistry was also done. Nowadays many newses are coming very oftenly regarding the Hstr recruitment. So we can expect the notification maybe in a month or so. So I really hope that you all are preparing for this examination, because this is going to change your life if you get this job. So in Hstr, if you are a PM method aspirant, that is if you have done physics and maths in your graduation, then you will be writing Hstr for PM method. If you have done chemistry and biology in your degree, then you will be writing exam for Hstr CB method. Okay, so there will be paper 1 and paper 2 in the examination. Of course that papers will be conducted in the same day only. So morning if you will have paper 1, the same day afternoon they will have paper 2. Okay, so in paper 1 the syllabus will be from general knowledge, educational psychology, general English, and computer literacy, and of course mental ability. And this exam will be for 2 hours and maximum 100 marks will be there. And in paper 2, if you are a CB method aspirant, then you will be having specific subjects chemistry and biology in your paper 2. If you are a PM method aspirant, then it will be physics and mathematics. Okay. Of course, there will be no negative marking, and all questions will be only objective type multiple choice questions. Now let us discuss the biology blueprint for Hstr teacher recruitment, and this blueprint is based on Hstr 2015 question paper, because previously this exam was conducted in 2015 only. So after 2015, now this recruitment will be there in 2024. So you should know how much important this recruitment is, because after a long gap this recruitment is coming, right? So all aspirants out there, please don't miss this opportunity and please keep preparing, and as soon as the notification comes you can apply and you can appear for this exam to get this government job. So as per the 2015 notification, this is the syllabus for biology. You can see here that the chapters which are there in the syllabus are living world is there, then life process in plants is there. In this you have light and dark reaction, then you have trophic moments, then you have photosynthesis, then reproduction is there, and the experiments on plants growth, all that is included in this chapter. Then you have a life process in animals. In this movement, respiration, circulation, excretion, control and coordination, sense organs in human beings, all this you have to learn in detail. Then you have natural resources. So this is a very general type of topic. Then this chapter is there food, in which you have nutrients, then simple test for carbohydrates, fats, and lipids is there, adulteration and all that is there in this chapter. Then you have ecology. In ecology also you have general topics like soil erosion, pollution, water and greenhouse effect. Then you have ecosystem. In ecosystem, trophic levels, food web, food chain, ecological pyramids, biological fixation of nutrients, all this is included. Then you have a cytology, plant cell and animal cell differences and all that is there, mitosis, meiosis and all that. Then classification of organisms is there, all 2, 3, 4, 5 kingdom classification you should know in detail. Then you have microorganisms. In this also all general topics are there related to microorganisms. Then there is evolution, and along with that you have human evolution also. Then plant kingdom is there. So this is a simple chapter only, and tissues in detail you should know, and genetics. In this heredity and tissue culture is there, and you have biotechnology and animal resources. So these are the chapters given in biology syllabus. Now let us see how many questions came from each chapter relating to 2015 question paper. Okay, so that will be our blueprint. So as I already told you, these are the list of the chapters in biology. So paper 2 also will be for 100 marks, right? So in that paper 2 you will have 40 marks for biology, 40 marks for chemistry and 20 marks for methodology related to chemistry and biology. Okay, so 40 marks for biology part, chemistry part 40 marks, methodology part 20 marks. Total 100 marks paper will be there in paper 2 also. Okay, now let us see how many questions came from each chapter based on that 2015 question paper. Okay, so I have analyzed the entire question paper many times and then I have reached to this conclusion of a blueprint. Okay, so first chapter, living world, they did not ask any question from this chapter. Then in life process in plants they have asked 7 questions last time. Then in life process in animals they have asked 2 questions. Then in natural resources they have not taken any question from this chapter. Then from this chapter food they have asked 3 questions. Then from ecology they have asked 1 question. From ecosystem 3 questions. From cytology 3 questions. From classification of organisms 4 questions. From microorganisms 2 questions. Then from evolution 1 question. Then from human evolution 1 question. Then from plant kingdom they have asked 2 questions and they have not asked any question from tissues. Then from genetics part, heredity they have asked 2 questions and tissue culture they have asked 1 question. From biotechnology they have asked 4 questions and from animal resources they have asked 4 questions. So if we add up all these marks you will get 40 marks. Okay, then chemistry 40 marks and methodology 20 marks, total 60 marks, and together paper 2 will have 100 marks. That is 100 questions will be there. Okay, now if we look at this blueprint carefully, we can plan a strategy relating to preparation of biology. So my suggestion will be that please first go for life process in plants and animals, especially life processes in plants, because 7 questions were asked, right? So if you cover this plants and animals life processes thoroughly in detail, you can easily score 9 to 10 marks this time. Okay, then you go for this part of the chapters, food, ecology, ecosystem. All these belong to same type of category, right? Same type of general questions will be there from these 3 topics. In fact, if you not prepare from this chapters also, you will be able to answer questions from these chapters because these are very easy and simple chapters. Okay, so if you prepare these chapters well, then you can score 7 marks easily. Okay, then go for these group of chapters, cytology and classification of organisms. Very interesting chapters, easy chapters, and these chapters till now which we have indicated in the red boxes, no, these chapters will give you confidence in preparing for biology because this is a very good kick start for preparation. Okay, so this cytology and classification of organisms, if you clear so much of syllabus, you can score 7 to 8 marks easily. Okay, so if you have covered so much of syllabus till now, then you can score how many marks? There 9 marks in first box, here 7 marks in first box, and here 7 marks in first box. So 23 marks you can score easily. Okay, then you go for this part of the chapters, that is genetics, biotechnology and animal resources. Animal resources though will be very easy chapter, no problem, but genetics and biotechnology will become little tougher. If you give time, no, if you give enough of time to these chapters, then you will understand easily. Okay, so this group of chapters you can easily score 11 marks if you become perfect from this part of the chapters. Okay, at last I would suggest you to go for this part, microorganisms, evolution, human evolution and plant kingdom. So this group of chapters you can score 6 marks if you prepare well. Okay, rest 3 chapters, living world, natural resources and tissues. These 3 chapters are very general chapters. You have been reading the topics from these chapters right from school days. So you don't need to worry about these 3 chapters. if you have time after preparation of all other chapters, at last you can go through these chapters also. Okay, so this was my plan for biology preparation. So if you are liking this plan, use it as a strategy. Or it's not compulsory that you should follow my strategy only. You can make your own strategy which is best for you. Okay, in fact that is the best method of preparing for any competitive examination. But because some aspirants are not able to plan the strategy and the way of preparation, I am making this video and giving you my advice. If you feel that what I am telling will work out for you, then please do follow and let me know in comment section whether you liked my strategy or no, and whether this blueprint is helping you or no. Okay, and of course if you are liking my work, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and you can also join our Telegram channel. You will find the link below this video. Okay, thank you, all the best, bye.